Hi, welcome back. My name is John Roberts from Greentop Landscapes. We're the people that bring you those video diaries. I'm filming this project myself this morning because of the quality of the cameramen recently. So have a look at what we'll be doing. Let me show you now. This is where we're working at present. As you can see, what we've done here, we've built and constructed new steps to the garage here. And if you have a pan round, you can actually see over this side where we've got the path going around the other side of the garage. We've got a utility area going around the back of the garage, and we're going to put a gate through there so they've got access all the way around. And if you look down this side, to the left of the garage there, we started to put this path in alongside the garage there, so there's access all the way around the garage. Now, if you look at here, the lie of the land here, we've got this, there was a slope here, quite a significant slope before, and we've put this raised bed effect using tannalized timber, 8x3s. I've showed you on previous videos where we've used this product, and we've put these in a vertical format at the front, and as you can see on the side there, we've got it on a horizontal format. Now, if I show you this side, what we've got is a path going straight down to the front entrance of the house. We've used Indian Sandstone here, and as you can see, these steps here, where I'm walking down now, before they were just basically a 600mm wide slab. It wasn't wide enough, it crumbled away, and it wasn't safe basically. But if you come down here now, you can see where we've got this planter on the left hand side going with the path. Believe it or not, it actually we're approaching the end of this project now, and we are going to top this up with some nice soil so you have a good depth all the way down. There's our little helper here. As you can see, you've got the path going right the way down, and the path leading to the door before was very narrow, but we've got a nice 4-foot wide path, random pattern again, all the way down to the door, nice and safe. I'm going to just turn around here, and what we've done here, we've got a bit of a meandering path around here now. Give it a bit of shape. The idea for this path here, that we have wheelchair access coming down. We've got a step here, we can't do nothing about that. I'm going to have to rebuild this bit here because we had some bad weather the other day, so that's got to be rebuilt now. We've got a foundation there ready to do the brickwork. And as you can see, you see the cone in the distance there where we put some cuts in yesterday, and we want to avoid stepping on those today. So let me just take you around here very, very quickly. When you're doing these projects, sometimes you look at plants and you decide what's got to go and what's got to stay. In this case, this is a hibiscus, beautiful shrub. It's still healthy. It's been maintained over the years, been cut back. So that'll be coming into bud soon. So we've left that on that corner. That's just about right there. So we've got access all the way around here. And if you look up here now, what you can actually see in this part here, before it was just an area for dumping rubbish. There was boxes on the left hand side up against the garage, and we've relayed some old flagstones that were here. You're not going to see these from the front of the house. So there's a path that's going to go right the way through. We're going to cut that fence out, and we're going to put a nice gate in there so they've got access all the way around, and it'll be easy to carry the bins around. Then you see the wheelie bins. So if you look around this side, you'll be able to see the sleepers in a vertical format, and they're looking good. I'll explain to you about that now in a sec. We've got a couple more cuts to do around here, and very difficult project because you can't work back and lay, and in this case we have to sort of work round when we're actually laying the stone. So as you can see, we've got access all the way around the house again, and I'll repeat that. And if you look on the inside of here now, what we've done here, we've concreted this corner here all the way around. That's going to support the sleepers, but at the back of the sleepers here, we've screwed it with 4-inch screws all the way in, all the way down. So as a collective strength, that's going to work. And if you look at the front of it, the sleepers are well below the slab level, so they're not going to kick out. They're not going to kick out the bottom. So there is some strength in there. And if you look at the depth of it now, we've made up the ground level with some of the existing soil that we've dug out for the foundation, and the sleeper there is like 200mm deep. So by the time we level off this existing soil here, we can have a good depth of quality soil that's going to go on top, making it a lot more easier for the clients in the future to do some planting. And as you can see here, it steps down with the steps, and it just basically hugs that part of the garden. So you'll be able to see in the springtime, when that's all planted up, how it's all turned out. And if you've got any questions about your landscape project, if you just need some advice, you know, we're not just there to give you a quote. If you just want some advice of where to source your products and how it should be used, what's the best products, what you should expect to pay for these products, give us a call on 01633 896 007, or you can go to the website, which is www.greentoplandscapes.co.uk. And if you just want a rough idea of what a project could cost, i.e. in respect of a driveway or a path, and again, if you want to know the cost of products, what you should expect to pay when you go in some of these builders merchants, like Jewson's, Travis Perkins, Keyline, any of the local independents where you live, even B&Q, and the best way to source it, and if you can get some discounts on large amounts. So go to the website, or like I said, go to www.quickpavingquotes.co.uk, and we'll get back to you with an email. Well, that's it for now, and I'll speak to you soon.